Hi there! Welcome to our Best Kayak Guide channel. In this video, we are looking at the topic, Best One-Person Kayaks. We highly recommend you to read the full in-depth blog post go to the link below. So let's dive in. One-person kayaks are the perfect option for those who want to get out on the water without having to worry about coordinating with a partner, or for those who wish to ride the kayak only by themselves. There are kayaks that are great for different sorts of water excursions, from lazy days on the lake to adventurous whitewater rafting trips. And thanks to their small size, they are also perfect for travel. In the full blog post we have written on our website, we have done hours of research, and we review best one-person kayaks. Number 1. Wilderness Systems Aspire 105 Best Overall. Number 2. Pelican Maxim 100X Best Runner-Up. Number 3. Lifetime Lotus Best Budget. Number 4. Intex Challenger K1. Number 5. Lifetime Youth Wave. Number 6. Pelican Kayak Boost 100. Number 7. AQUAGLIDE Noyo 90. Number 8. Lifetime Tamarack Angler. And some related matters. As I mentioned before, we go into much more detail in our blog post about the above topic. Inside that article, we dive into each of the areas above, covering many more questions around them. Just click the link below, and you can read all about the research we have done on this topic. See you inside the blog post, and let us know if you have any more questions in the comments below. Have a great day, and thank you for checking out bestkayakguide.com.